In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with Contra entries in Xero. Managing Contra entries can seem a bit daunting, but with these simple guidelines, you'll be an expert in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Xero accounting software. As this is the starting point for this task, make sure you have your login credentials ready. Navigate your browser to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you will see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the login button, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. This step is crucial as entering the correct information will grant you access to your Xero account. Once you've filled in those fields, take a moment to double check for any typos that might delay your entry. Once everything looks good, click the login button again to proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub for managing various accounting tasks. Look for the option labelled Reconcile Items and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can handle your transactions. Now, you'll need to select a transaction that you want to deal with. Browse through the list of transactions and decide which one requires a Contra entry. Once you've made your selection, click on the transaction to open its details. At this point, you'll see several fields that require information. Start by typing the contact name into the Who field. This will help you keep track of the transaction by associating it with the right contact. Next, move on to the What field, where you'll select the suspense code. The suspense code is essential as it helps you temporarily classify transactions that don't yet have a permanent classification. Moving on, in the Why field, type Contra. This detail is crucial as it provides a concise explanation for why this transaction is being logged as a Contra entry. Finally, take a moment to review all entered information for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the OK button to finalize the process. This action will complete the entry and your Contra transaction will be properly logged in Xero. And there you have it. You've successfully managed a Contra entry in Xero. With practice, handling these entries will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your accounting with Xero. Until next time, happy accounting.